So I'm watching an old gacha singing life battle with the Afton family and William Afton's family. Tell me why I'm cringing, but yet I love this. Can I just say, they used Shatter Me by Lindsay Sterling. Ah! What the fuck? Okay, you know what? I'm sorry, but no, I don't like it. Whoa. I low-key forgot this happened. Okay, the edit is pretty fucking good. Okay, that ah! The Clara design is like killing me. I love that. That's a thumb up. Good Clara. That's a good Clara. Oh my god, the Ballora. Oh my god! It's so pretty. I really like it. It's really 2018. It's given off 2018 and I love it. Okay guys, so this is just gonna be the last part. I'm dying at the circus baby. Like, look at her! Look at her! Mike is pretty cute. This is a long intro real quick. Damn!